Okay guys, back on the video today. Cryptos are having a big pullback after Jerome Powell just spoke. We're going to go over what he said, the key points you need to take away, and also some new levels on about 5 cryptos. So I'm going to go over Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, apecoin, and dogecoin. Okay, so I'll give you guys all key levels on the hourly chart, some shorter term levels, so we can really tell if the level breaks on the upside of resistance, then we'll be okay. If the level breaks on the support side, on the downside, then that might be a little worrisome. Okay, so we'll go over it. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe if you are new. Now, I have it written down right here on my phone. So, first thing that Jerome Powell said, okay, he said that the markets are reacting appropriately, says markets are appropriately to our communications, says we are committed to getting back to inflation to 2%. Second thing, Powell says 50 basis hike is on the table, says it's appropriate to be moving a little more quickly on interest rates. Also, he said, we want to see actual progress on inflation, says these expectations have been disappointed in the past, says we want to see actual progress. And then he said, there might be a world of higher inflation, says it's clear that the globalization has slowed down, may go into reverse, okay? And then he brought up the 50 basis hike point. I think that is what kind of like brought it down a lot, but we were kind of already expecting that, okay? So I wasn't bullish just yet on a lot of stuff. I'm still bearish on some stuff. That's why I want to give you guys these levels, because if you can even tell, before he even spoke and this drop happened, you can tell right here, the first thing we'll talk about is Dogecoin, so ticker symbol DOGE. Look at the resistance. You see how the resistance came in and the heavy selling pressure came in? That's why I wasn't bullish just yet, right? Because the resistance is showing. For us to be bullish, it would have had to break out of this resistance level like that. Okay, that's bullish. Right here isn't. So what we want to do is we're going to take all these levels off. Well, actually, I'm going to just drag them down so we don't have to delete them or anything like that. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, get your Webull account. If you don't have a Webull account, you do get a couple free stocks when you deposit any money worth up to $3,000. Okay, I am sponsored by Webull. So new resistance level on Dogecoin. I won't try to keep it too long. I would say it's about 14 cents. Actually, no, a little higher. About 14 cents 10. Okay, so 14 cents 10. I think that's a new resistance level for Dogecoin, and I think we have a support level at about 13 cents and 65. So now we're kind of in a little tighter range. If you can tell, we had that drop right after Jerome Powell spoke. You can see it on the 5-minute. You see how heavy that drop was right there? Heavy drop right here, okay? So that's what we're kind of looking at right now. These are the new levels I'm looking out for on Dogecoin. If it breaks the resistance, then that would be good, okay? That would be good on the upside. If it breaks a support, that would be bad on the downside. And I will be looking to buy more of Dogecoin. I just wanted to go down some more. Like you guys know, my average is, I think, about 11 cents. Yeah, right here. So remember, I put white lines whenever I do buy so you guys can see it, okay? So this is where I bought right here of Dogecoin. I feel like it is going to pull back. I almost want to sell what I have and then buy it again because I kind of want to lock in those profits. That's about a 17% gain. I was all the way up at 40. So I'm kind of thinking about locking in those profits. I don't know yet. I'm not sure, but I will let you guys know what I do. Make sure you guys don't forget. Make sure you come follow me, will.knowledge. Let's get me over 1,000 followers. Come like some photos, comment. Let me know that you came from YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, will.knowledge. Back to the video. Next one. apecoin, big pullback, hitting that level. Now, something else you notice is look how the buying pressure level is actually acting as a support, okay? Hit it once here, little buying pressure came off again, hit it once there, hit it here, hit it here. So this is acting as support. Now, it could go up from here to about, I'll say we probably have some resistance at about that 1640 area. This could be a 10% gain. From here to there could be a 10% gain. But we don't really know if that buying pressure wants to come off that level. Okay, so resistance level is the same. This is kind of like a support level now. I'm going to change it to a support level, right? Support level. And I feel the buying level might be lower around like 1380. So let's put a buying level down there for now. And then depending on what it does at that support level, I'll kind of change the level if I need to. But remember, I bought apecoin down here around that 1225 area. Now with apecoin, I'm going to be holding it because I feel apecoin hasn't had that push yet that I think it will have in the future. So I'll be holding apecoin. I don't plan on selling it, but Dogecoin, I might be scalping that one more, okay? So watch these levels for apecoin. Then Ethereum, heavy pour down Ethereum. See, we were already bearish on Ethereum before Jay Powell spoke. It just kind of brought it down more. So came up right there, made a high, pulling back now. We can take these old levels off. I am expecting a small type of retracement. So from here, it might pull up to like a little retracement there. But what I'm expecting from there is I'm expecting a bigger downpour off of that. Okay. I'm kind of expecting Ethereum to go below 3,000 again, which I do love because then I'll be buying more of Ethereum. So kind of watch that. Actually, I'll leave that here so you guys can see it, how we call stuff before it happens. So this is something I'm expecting, rise up, pour down. And then where we would see a buying pressure level and a support is kind of like the same level. It's right around that 29,932 level. So this is where I'm looking for support and buying pressure level. And then resistance, we have to wait for it to come back up. I feel like a resistance will be in this area, so kind of watch that, and I think it's going to fall over, or it could come straight down now. So kind of watch that, but this is the main level I'm looking at, right around that 2,932 level for buying pressure on Ethereum. And then for Bitcoin, heavy pour down again. They're all breaking. Let's take that resistance level off. This is still a key support level, but we also have a shorter term support level at about like 41,160. 41,160. This is also a shorter term support level. No buying level yet on Bitcoin. So just two support levels that we need to be watching. It could do the same thing as Ethereum, have that push up and then kind of roll over, or it could just keep dropping. So make sure you watch that. I don't plan on buying Bitcoin in these areas. I really want it below this last defense level around like 38. We might be getting there, so kind of watch that. Don't forget, make sure you guys smash the like button down below, subscribe if you are new, share the video out to your friends and family. Let's get this video over 20 likes. I really appreciate it. And this is my second channel, Will Knowledge Crypto. My first channel is Will Knowledge. So if you came from Will Knowledge, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. So Bitcoin, two support levels that we need to be watching. And then the last one, Cardano. We had a buying level down there. Let me see. So this is what we were expecting, right? Boom, boom, boom. But then J Powell came. What did he do? Boom. Brought it down. So let's go ahead and take all these levels off. And then I'll give you guys one key support level and a resistance level. So let me take that buying level off. I'm going to move the support level up. Okay. I think new support is about that 91 cents. Like we can put it at 92 just to have it a little more clear. So 92 cents is a support level that I'm looking at, and a resistance. I think we might have resistance at about like 94.60. So 94 cents 60, 94 cents 55. I think is our resistance, and then for a support, I think we're right around like 92 cents. So kind of watch it in this area. If it breaks down, then I'm pretty sure we're going to be breaking maybe the all-time lows, but I mean not all-time lows, but maybe new lows. But there are like two more supports in here that could hold up, but just watch this one for now. And then if I have any more levels, I'll update you guys on those. And then watch this resistance level up here also at about that 94.50, 94.60 areas in there. Okay. So those are the main levels I'm looking out for these 5 cryptos. And now, any more cryptos you guys want to talk about, leave them in the comment section below so I can look at them and I'll make some more videos on them for you guys. And make sure you check out the videos on Will Knowledge. My first channel, Will Knowledge, because there's some key videos that you need to be posting up there if you guys are into stocks or anything like that. Make sure you check it out. And then always remember, no recommendation of buyers or anything, just for educational purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.